Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to show you this glam look that I'm doing with the Too Faced Peach eyeshadow palette. But right away I'm going in with the shade White Peach underneath my brow bone, just to give our eyebrows that extra lift, that extra oomph, you know, like make them look a little lifted. And then I'm just going in on my eyelid too, just to have a nice white shade and to make our eyes look more awake. And then I did the same thing on the other side as well. Now I'm going in with the shade Summer Yum on my crease. Y'all know the deal. I'm just blending it out, making sure that there are no harsh edges on the corners. You want to have a lighter hand when you're blending out the edges, just so it's not harsh and it blends nicely into the white shade that we have into our brow bone. But yeah, just blending out, going down the sides of the nose for a little bit of contour. Same on the other side, going in with the same shade, just blending it out, making sure there's no harsh lines or anything like that. Just keep blending, 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 yeah! Makes me think of Finding Nemo. But yeah, just keep blending it out till it looks nice and pretty. And then I'm going in with a little bit of a darker shade. I'm just going in with the one right next to it in the palette. It's really nice. It's a warm, darker brown shade. And yeah, just keep on doing it. Do the same thing to the other side. Keep making sure those edges are not harsh and blending in the crease. Yeah. Oh, and there's my roommate in the background. Sorry about that, you guys. But yeah. I keep on making sure that it's really nice and blended to where I like, because this is like a fall time look. It reminded me of like a fall time glam. Even though it's like 100 degrees here in California, like in my mind it's fall time, it's pumpkin spice season. Yeah, I keep dreaming, right? But just keep blending. I went in like with another darker brown color, just so I could keep it all up. I got the bake on my face. Now I'm going in with that shade Summer Yum underneath my not eyelid. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I forgot what those are called. My lash line. There we go. I went with it underneath my lash line just to give it a little bit of color and make it look a little smoky. And I went in with the purple color too. I think it's Talk Derby to me I went in with, and so like now I'm going in with my Too Faced mascara just to complete the look. This mascara is so bomb. But after I put on the mascara, I'm just gonna go in with some lashes, put some lashes on, and we're gonna have ourselves a look. Look at that, got the contour on. Now I'm going in with the Les Chocolates by L'Oreal, and this one is like so pretty. This one's called Candyman. And I really liked it. It smells like chocolate. It smells so good. But then I changed my mind and I didn't want to do this one. So I went in with another lipstick shade instead. And I used the Victoria's Secret Velvet Matte. Like, this one's pretty nice and I like this color better. But yeah, and this is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Just a little quick video of eyeshadow. See you guys later. Bye. Mwah.